Hello everybody, here is the snails we collected in the previous video. Many people are interested in what to do with them and how to cook. That's exactly what I'm gonna talk about in this video. And for those who are interested in collecting snails and where to gather them, I already talked about it in the previous video. Before cooking, we need to prepare the snails, because look how muddy they are. It is necessary to start as soon as possible because they are already running away. By the way, about the mucus, it will disappear during cooking and washing the snail. Thoroughly wash the shells and the snail itself. I use an ordinary kitchen sponge, but you can also use a brush. It all depends on your convenience. Need to wash them well to get rid of mucus because there is a lot of it in them. And eating them together with slime is not a very nice feeling. Maybe someone likes it, but definitely not me. We washed away the mucus and they produce it even more, but it's okay, we will fix it. I'm gonna show you two ways of cooking snails. For one of the methods, we have to put them in salt water for about 10-15 minutes. We will put these ones in the oven, and we will leave the others just the way they are, like this. We're gonna fry them. But before frying, they must be boiled to remove them from the shell. Both methods are easy, do not require a lot of time and effort, and most importantly, products. We need this for both recipes. The first thing we do is cutting the onion. The onion is ready and we move on. Who said that snails are slow? In my opinion, they are very even fast. We have just finished with the onions and they have already come out of the pot. Now we are cutting the parsley. And this is exactly how marinated snails are made. But of course I'm joking, no matter what you feed them, they won't become marinated. Now garlic. And love is here now. We have prepared the garlic and now we will work with the frying pan. First melt the butter. By the way, we need the salt that we are doing now for both recipes. Add in garlic. We don't fry it for long and add in onions. We fry it until it becomes transparent. Something like this. We just salt it, and now we will add spices to taste. We need this for boiling snails. First I poured water into a pot and then added salt. I am adding 5 bay leaves, 5-6 black pepper pears, and again spices of your choice. If you feel that the water is not salty enough, you can add salt. And now it's time to add parsley. When bubbles appear, it's time to add snails. We have already taken our snails out of salt water. By the way, I cooked limpets sea snails in the oven in the same way, and they turned out amazing. They turned out even better than I expected. How I collected the snails and cooked them, I will attach a link in the description. Snails are very nutritious food. They can be eaten even during diets. It is known that they are a delicacy in many countries, but they can be cooked quickly and cheap at home. So we put them in an already heated oven at 180 degrees for 15-20 minutes. While they are baking, they should be taken out. You should try not to cook for longer than 5 minutes, otherwise they're gonna be chewy and we don't want that. So we are taking them out and not overboiling. We need to take them out of the shell for frying and then cut off the foot. To get rid of the remaining mucus, we need to pour lemon juice. Cutting off the foot because we are going to eat it. Frying for a few minutes. Decorating and adding green onions for taste. The other snails are also ready. We added the remaining parsley. We did everything correctly, so we completely got rid of mucus during cooking. In terms of taste, I prefer the fried snails, but they are both delicious dishes. So it's up to you to decide which one tastes better. And if I compare limpets, sea snails and ordinary escargot snails, if you cook snails in oven, limpets are better, but fried escargot snails are absolutely not worse than sea snails. You can cook one of the dishes, and if you have enough snails, you can use 2 recipes. It's your choice, and I thank you very much for your watching and attention. See you in the next videos, and have a nice day.